What is up, guys? Sorry, I had to make sure my microphone was on, and it is. It is Ted here with Podcast Bodies and Wicks. Here to tell you what this is all about. This is all about smart money. Smart money. If you don't know what that is, it is basically institutional trading or trading with the banks. I know a lot of people they say they trade against the banks, but they really don't have a narrative. That's what my education is all about. Is about giving you that narrative about how to trade against the banks, about what price looks for. About why price does what it does. It's not that you can rely on a trend line, or you can rely on a bear flag or a bull flag, or that you can rely on a harmonic and think that you're going to come out with the perfect outcome. Because if any of you have tried any of these things, you know that most times they fail. I wouldn't say every time. They don't fail every time. It's generally about 30% of the time that you will win if you are following the rules that you have been taught by any type of retail trader, trading off trend lines, or looking at bull bear flags, or, like I said, harmonics, double tops, double bottoms, trying to trade off the third one. Things like that. Usually, they'll win some of the times, but they'll usually fail most of the time. And it's not that they'll fail. You have to be quick on your feet and understand where price is probably going to go after the point to where something happens. Like, I'm trying to think of an example here. Just like what happened with Ethereum recently. It made actually about 6-7 different equal tops, which means that there is liquidity above, and liquidity above means that there are sell limits, right? Because everybody thinks that would be your resistance. Well, what did it do is it eventually punched through that resistance very quickly, in a very short manner, which told me that money got released into the market. From those that was going short, told me that it probably was going to go short, and it did. And then it would run into what we call a PD array, which means premium discount array, and that it would touch one of those and then go back the opposite direction, leaving everybody that was chasing it short holding the bag, because then it would go against you and then hit your stop loss and take you out, whoever was going short. Hopefully that makes sense. I hope that you drew that picture in your head. But that's the type of technical analysis that we try to bring here at my podcast. I try to bring a little bit more in-depth analysis. I try to give you what the bankers are thinking, not so much what the retail people are thinking. Because if you're thinking like the herd, then the bankers are going to go against you, because the bankers are the one that can control the chart. So if you're thinking like the herd and you're thinking like everybody else, you're not going to win, because not everybody is going to win. So you have to think the opposite direction. You have to think like the bankers. You have to think about buying into a really high and then selling short, or buying into a really high and then maybe catching a breakout. But it would have to be under certain circumstances. And those are the kinds of things that this channel is trying to bring to you. So with all that being said, that is what this channel is about. I'm not trying to hear you to sell you anything. Eventually I do want to get to the point to where I am managing other accounts as well. I have, 2 people that I am tutoring. If you want to reach out for me for more information, please let me know. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. Other than that, what you can do is that you can definitely help me out by heading to my So if you think that I am doing any kind of good work or anything like that, you could definitely head to my donations page, rewind a little bit, check it out, and shoot me whatever you want, 50 cents. I don't care. I also have a Patreon as well. You can find those links in the description. I'm just doing a quick, $5 per month just to help the Keep channel running. I want to start an NFT platform, meaning I have teamed up with a very, very awesome artist, and you can find some of that work on Twitter at BodiesXWix NFT, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to double check on that, but if you just search BodiesXWix NFT, I'm sure you'll be able to find it. It's a great artist putting together some really cool abstract art. You can get coasters. It's physical art. It's not just digital art. It's a physical art. It's painting with a very, very nice gloss finish over it. It's really, really cool stuff, and she's getting really good. So we're going to be starting probably a second level on the Patreon, and that's going to involve those of you to have early access to those NFTs, and you're going to get them for half the price that what we would normally put them out on the market for. Eventually try to build our name, and then once we build our name, then you'll have those NFTs. If you want to keep hold of them, you can. If you want to sell them on the market for 10, 20 times as much as they're worth once we build the name, you can do that too. That's the great thing about NFTs. But we're trying to do different things with them. We have just simple 8x12 like wall paintings, also little 6x6 things. I have a little coaster set that they made for me. Just different things here and there that we can do with these really cool paintings. I wish I had something in my hand to show you right now. But that's one thing that we're striving for next as well. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on what this channel is about and what we do. Smart money is basically the only way I see the way to do technical analysis. I've done technical analysis on so many other things. Only way I have figured out that it actually works is by doing smart money technical analysis, specifically Inner Circle Trader. What I really know is that I have watched him for over a year or 2 years now, followed his path. I have eventually become a profitable trader because of that. If you, 90% of people in this business lose money. Fortunately, I am not one of those 90% of people. I am actually making money in this business thanks to the mentorship that I've been going through under an Inner Circle Trader, and as well as just having patience. If you want to learn more, please hang out, check out some of the videos. It's just me trying to have fun. It's just the type of personality that I have, and I try to bring that to my teaching as well. So if you enjoy what you see, please hang out. What I would like you to do also is like the video, subscribe to my channel. That would be the most amazing thing in the world. And then we can check out the videos. If you have a video you want me to do something on, reach out to me via social media. All my social media links are posted. The main channel has my top 5, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter. It has my Minds account, which is just like Facebook, but a lot better, in my opinion. And then also my Rumble. But if you go to the overview of the channel, I have a lot more social links there, such as my Odyssey channel, my invitations codes channel, invitation codes link, meaning of all the things that I have signed up for, you can go to the invitation codes link and also sign up for those things with my referral code, make money that way. That's what I tell people to do whenever they're trying to, especially if they don't have a lot of money, they're trying to build funds to trade. Go to these referral links and start out small, $5 for Acorns or Venmo, and then, build it up to 25 to, for Cake DeFi, and then build it up to, 100, and then you can, start getting your Gemini reward, or your Bitcoin reward. Or I think it's your Nexo reward. If you know your way around crypto, you can use wallets to transfer things, and then that way you can transfer all of these from one wallet to another, and that way you can continue getting these referrals as they keep coming in as well. So you can start off with very little money and eventually work your way up to a couple $100 just by doing these referrals. So that's in the description as well. So it should say referral codes or something like that, or invitation codes. There's quite a bit out there. So, but I want to stick with this channel for right now and just talk about smart money and what it means. And hopefully these videos that I am going to be producing and can continue to produce will give you some insight on some smart money, how to battle the big guy. I'm always rooting for the little guy, and we're all here on YouTube to learn something, and hopefully we're learning as the little people, right? So we don't, we're not institutional bankers. If we were, we wouldn't be on YouTube trying to figure out what we're gonna win, right? So that's all I got. Thank you very much for your time, and always remember to keep your pants on, guys.